Just like with our apps that use the recipe called center, if we want to use a different recipe, we go through the same steps. So the first thing we're going to want to do to switch from center to another recipe is triple click the home button and turn off switch control. Hit OK. Then go to your settings. And you can see that we were using the recipe called center. But if we want to use all the apps that use the eggs recipe, just switch to that. Hit your home button. Open up the group of apps that uses the eggs recipe. Triple click your home button. Click switch control. Make sure that the message that comes up says that it's configured for the egg recipe. And now you're ready to use all of the apps that are in this section. For these apps, these are all excellent cause and effect beginner apps. So if you've got someone who's just starting on using switches, these are all excellent. For Infant Zoo and Infant Faces, make sure that you select play instead of watch. For eggheads, make sure you select eggs.
Ladybug.
So say we wanted to switch from using egg recipes to the next group called swipe recipes. The first thing we're going to want to do is triple click the home button. Turn off switch control. Hit OK. Go back to your settings and move from eggs to swipe. Hit your home button. Pull up all of the apps in the swipe section. Triple click the home button. Click switch control. Make sure that it says that it's launching the swipe recipe. Now you're ready to use all of the apps in the swipe section. The first three apps are wonderful for any student who has a visual impairment, who needs high contrast graphics, and is a beginning switch user. After those, we've got several books, and if you think about swiping from right to left, it's usually what we do to turn pages digitally, and that's exactly what we're doing.
I wanted to keep some frogs in the bathtub, but Mom wouldn't let me. I was so mad.
So many of our kids like to listen to music, but they rarely get the opportunity to independently explore music, decide what they don't want to listen to, what they do want to listen to, and for how long. So using the swipe recipe with the iHeartRadio Family app, they can do that. All you have to do is decide if they're going to listen to just music, music and stories, or just stories. For this, I'm going to select music. Get them started with the first channel, just hit it, and then they're good to go.
It's just you and me. What are we gonna do?
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang.